Hi everyone, in this video we will gonna see about the column chart that is available in the Power BI, and it is very helpful to compare the category with numerical data. On the x-axis we have a category and on the y-axis we have a numerical data. First you will select the column chart. On the x-axis we have to fill the categorical data. In this location table we have this column called region. We will select it and put it on the x-axis. On the other hand, on the y-axis, we have to fill the numerical data. On the same data set, we have a profit column. It's a total profit. Now we can see the total profit with respect to the region, that is central, south, east and west. We have four regions, and we can also do one thing. We can sort this axis. We can sort with respect to region. Now we can see the west region is coming the first. On the other hand, we can also sort this on a different way. So that's how we can use the column chart in the Power BI. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.